Good day everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix failed network error when downloading on Chrome. Now, whenever you download any kind of application, videos or anything on your Google Chrome browser, you get an error message that download failed network error. So why this kind of error message comes up? Now, the first reason can be that you do not have the stable internet connection. So it's very important that before proceeding to the troubleshooting steps, you just assure that you have the stable and good internet connection speed. So in order to check that, you can click on your new tab, then type speedtest.net. This is a website to test your internet speed, your ping. So you can click here on go. And right now you can see that I'm getting around 50 Mbps of downloading speed. The ping is 10, that is good, not bad. So if I have the same kind of result, then that's okay for me. But if you are getting a very slow downloading speed and even the ping is very high, so in that case also you will be having this download failed problem because the connection is fluctuating, and whenever the downloading get failed, that might be because your internet is dropping and it's not getting the proper connection. So this is the first thing that you need to assure. And if you are getting a bad internet speed, high ping, then in that case what you can do, you can just restart your modem or router, restart your computer and check back again. And still if you have the problem, then you will have to contact your internet service provider. Now in case if this is not the problem, next what you can do, you can also try disabling the antivirus program on your computer, because many times this program blocks some kind of file and that doesn't allow the downloading on your browser. So if you are using any third-party browser, then you can click on this drop down at the right hand corner, look for any of the antivirus program you're using like Kaspersky, ESETnode, whichever, right click on it and choose exit. So you can close the antivirus. And if you're using the Windows security, then you can click on your Windows search, type virus. You will be getting virus and threat protection, click on it. And here below virus and threat protection setting, click on manage settings, disable this real-time protection, automatic sample submission, cloud delivered protection. And then from the left-hand menu option, click app and browser control and disable all this reputation-based protection for a while. Now this is only to check that if the antivirus is an issue or not. So after disabling it, if the problem gets fixed, then you will have to create an exception. For that, let me know in the comment section. I will let you know how to do that. Okay, now let's move to the third solution. Click on your Windows search, type inetcpl.cpl. Hit the enter key. The internet properties box will be up. Now here from the top menu option, you have to click on security. Then below you have to click on custom level. Then scroll down and you will find the download option over here. Now once you come up here, you have to look for launching application and unsafe file. All right, you will be getting this option. You just have to enable it. Once it's been done, you have to click on OK. Click on yes. And then click apply. And then from the top menu option only, click on connections. Then click on LAN settings and make sure this proxy server has been unchecked. If this option has been checked, it means the proxy server has been connected or trying to connect. And in that case also, you can have such kind of problem. So assure this should be unchecked. Then click on OK and then click on OK. Now you also need to make sure that there is no other kind of VPN connection connected. So if you have connected to any kind of VPN, then kindly go ahead and disconnect it. So after applying all these solutions, check back if the problem gets fixed. And still if you have the issues, then bring up your Google Chrome browser. Click on the three dot that is on the right and top. Then click on settings. From the left hand menu option, click on privacy and security. Then click on clear browsing data. From the top menu option, click on advanced. Time range, select to all time. Then check all the options, leave password and autofill form data unchecked. Rest you can check all of them. Then click on clear data and wait until this has been completed. Then finally from the left hand menu option only, you have to click on reset settings. Click restore setting to their original default and then click on reset setting again. And once it's been resetted, you also need to make sure that you don't have any kind of malicious or problematic extension on your browser. So click on the three dot again at the right and top, and then look for extension, then click on manage extensions. Now here it will display all kind of extension installed on your computer. If you find any suspicious or the one that you don't identify or you don't use, kindly go ahead and remove it. Now once it's all been completed, again restart your PC and modem and check back. I'm very sure that while downloading any kind of files now, you will not be having any problem. Now in case still if you have the issues, then next what you can do, you need to make sure that you have enough space in the drive where your downloading location has been set. Okay, so if you don't have the space, automatically the downloading will get failed. So click on the three dot again at the right and top, then click on settings. Then from the left hand menu option, you have to click on download, and here you will find the location. So you can click on change, and then you can check it out, the location, and make sure that if it's been set to C drive, then you have enough space on that particular drive. And if you do not have the enough space, then either you can clear the space by deleting some item, or you can also change the location to any other drive. So hopefully guys, you will find this video helpful, and if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.